We'll guide you through how to fix your phone camera having a black screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is going to be preventing you from taking a video or photo, so let's get into fixing this. What you want to try doing is opening up your settings like so. Now you need to scroll down and go and find the option for apps and tap on it. You can use the search in the top right and search for camera, or scroll down and go and find it and tap on it. What we're going to do is first of all close it, so press force stop in the bottom right and you need to confirm your decision. Now come down to storage. Go to the bottom left and press clear data, and we can go and clear the data here, confirm your decision. Now what you want to try doing is come out of here and opening up the camera. Hopefully now it'll go and work. However, if it still doesn't, we can try performing a restart. So you can go and tap and hold the side button like so. And you then want to go and press restart and confirm your decision. And the process will go and begin. When it starts again, open up the camera and hopefully now the problem is solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.